Every creator wants to stand out, but few know how to build a brand that lasts. A personal brand isn't about logos or followers. It's about identity, impact, and intention. Think of your personal brand as your digital fingerprint, something that can't be copied, only communicated. Here's your step-by-step blueprint to build a personal brand that's authentic, magnetic, and profitable. Step 1. Know who you are and what you stand for. Before you build your brand, build clarity. Ask yourself, what do I believe in? What am I passionate about? How do I want people to feel after they experience my work? Define your core values, strengths, and unique message. That's your foundation. Step 2. Identify your audience and their aspirations. You're not building a brand for everyone, you're building it for someone. Who do you help? What do they struggle with? What future are they dreaming of? When you know their desires, fears, and language, your content becomes personal and powerful. Step 3. Craft your brand message. Your brand message is your promise, who you help, what problem you solve, and how you help them do it. Keep it simple and clear. For example, I help creators turn their skills into income using strategy and storytelling. Clarity beats complexity. Step 4. Design your visual identity. Your visuals are the emotional first impression of your brand. Choose colors, fonts, and styles that reflect your personality and align with your message. Be consistent. Consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds trust. Step 5. Create content that builds trust. Your content is how your brand breathes. Use storytelling, share lessons, and give value freely. Mix educational insights, personal stories, and thought leadership. People don't buy from perfect brands, they buy from real ones. Step 6. Build your digital home base. Social media is rented land. You need a place you own, like a website, email list, or community. This is your brand's headquarters, where people move from awareness to connection to action. Step 7. Stay consistent and evolve over time. A personal brand isn't built in a weekend. Keep showing up, refining, and learning. Update your message as you grow, but stay true to your voice and values. The strongest brands are both consistent and evolving. Your personal brand is your most valuable asset. It opens doors, builds communities, and creates opportunities that no platform can take away. Start shaping your story, your message, and your movement, one step at a time. When you own your story, you own your future.